Two wanted men arrested, one fatally shot by the police. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. The Jamaica Constabulary Force JCF is reporting that 3 men who were wanted by the police have been taken off the nation's streets. The JCF says that the weekend, within a 24-hour period, 2 of the men were captured while another was fatally shot. Those captured are Romario Grant, otherwise called Kaka, and Michael Williams, otherwise called Dry Goods. Grant was being hunted by the police following a murder in St. Andrew South Police Division. He was captured after the vehicle he was traveling in was intercepted by the police. Following Grant's arrest, the 25-year-old man goes by the name Michael Williams was taken into custody in Bogue St. James on Saturday. Williams was charged with murder, using a firearm to commit a felony, and the possession of prohibited weapon. Also on Saturday, 43-year-old Andrew Powell, otherwise called Killer and Bounty, was killed during a confrontation with police. Powell was fatally shot on King Street in Spanish Town, St. Catherine. The JCF says that the apprehension of the men underscores the force's commitment to maintain law and order and ensuring safety of Jamaicans. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.